Recall that we had introduced you to the net present value, or NPV model, earlier in the course. This model incorporates three very important money concepts. First, more money or a larger cash flow is better than a smaller cash flow, so magnitude matters. Second, the timing matters. You would love to get your cash flows earlier rather than later. And the third is that risk matters, and risk matters a lot. In the case of the Spanish Playa Hotel, we invest 17,500,000 euro in the first year, and we obtain 1,164,000 euro of cash flow in year one. And you can see that these cash flows grow all the way to 2.0 million at the end of year 10. In addition, we expect to sell our hotel for 25 million in year 10 as well. However, those cash flows that occur in the future are not worth the cash value to us today. They need to be discounted to help understand what their value is today. The present value of any cash flow is the amount of money that would have to be deposited today to obtain that cash flow in the future if it earns the required rate of return. So in year 8, we're expecting a cash flow of 1.699 million euro. That's only worth 793 million euro to us today. The reason is we could deposit that 793 million euro in the bank today, earn a rate of return of 10% annualized, and take out 1,699,000 8 years from now. So 1,699,000 8 years from now and 793,000 today are exactly the same amount of money, so long as we can earn a 10% return on that investment. The present value of the 17.5 million we invest today is 17.5 million because we're investing that today. On the other hand, the 1,164,000 of cash flow that's expected 1 year from now is only worth 1,058,000 euro today. Similarly, we discount those cash flows in the future. Notice as we move forward in time, cash flows 2 years from now are worth only 82% of a cash flow today, 75% 3 years from now, etc. When we get out to the 10th year, we expect to have a cash flow of $27 million cash. That's only worth 10.5 million to us today. So present value notion is we discount the cash flows in the future to obtain their present value today. We sum these cash flows, obtain a figure, 2.606 million. What that means is we've earned a required rate of return of 10%, and in addition, we've created 2.606 million euro of wealth. That's the net present value, 2.606 million. Positive net present value means we would like to invest.